Weld Systems, your solution partner for biogas plant projects. Biogas, renewable energy. Biogas, easy to install, inexpensive, eco-friendly, it brings down your LPG consumption and saves you a lot of money. Biogas is basically a mixture of gases. Main constituent is methane. Cow dung, food wastes are major sources of biogas. You can use biogas to cook food and also to run a generator. Biogas unit has a digester, gas holder and a stove. You can set up a biogas unit with plastic digester or concrete digester tank. The main advantage of plastic biogas unit is low budgeted cost, it is easy to install, shift and scale up. Cost of setting up a half-a-ton plastic digester unit is just Rs 30,000 and for the same in concrete it is 45,000 rupees. Scope of our services: 1. Design and cost estimation. 2. Design and construction. 3. Design, construction, and operation guidance. We offer consultancy for CNG pilot plant study. Weld Systems, one-stop solution for all your biogas project needs.